guys, so we are back again with Nina, and again, just like Nova's video, I'm doing of a heated deep conditioning cap shower. Like it's like a shower cap, but it's got gel in it, all that. You guys will see the video. I'll link it up in the I'll do a little tag up top and I'll link it down below. But I wanted to do another one and try it out. I actually found this at Walmart. It was, I want to say it was like $2 or something like that. It's a Evolve Platinum Deep Conditioning Cap. Conditions hair and helps prevent breakage. So you're just supposed to put in your deep conditioner and then you put this on. This is supposed to be like foil type. It's supposed to use your body heat to hold in some heat while you're deep conditioning. Now I wanted to try this one out just because I saw it. It was super cheap. I wanted to see if it would work. Maybe something for smaller kids or something if you really don't have a lot of money. This might be able to help. So I conditioned her hair. We're going to do her deep conditioning today. I put a regular shower cap on first, and then we just have this. It's very cheap, you know, it was only $2. It's got a nice stretch to it though, just like regular shower caps. It's actually tighter than these regular shower caps, so that's good. But yeah, it's just supposed to help hold in the heat while you're deep conditioning. So if you don't want to do the hair dryer, or you know, you don't have like the gel shower or the gel heating caps or anything like that, you can pick this up and see if this works for you. So all we're gonna do is put it over the one we already got. It's supposed to use your own body heat to keep in heat while you're deep conditioning. So her hair is not as prone to being dry and needs very, very good deep conditioning like Nova's does. But I figured this little simple, cheap thing could help her while she's deep conditioning too. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'll let you guys know how it works. Now I want to say you could probably maybe throw this in the dryer for a few minutes to heat it up, just to get it started, and maybe this being heated will help heat even more, because you definitely don't want to put this in the microwave. Don't do that. I haven't looked into like maybe putting it in the dryer for a few minutes to heat it up a little, but we're just going to put it on right out of the box. It's supposed to use your body temperature, so we'll see how well it works. I'm going to be asking her if her head feels hot, or if she can maybe feel a little temperature difference or anything like that. We're going to leave it on for about an hour, and we'll be back to let you guys know how it worked. Alright guys, so we are back. It has been an hour of the crunchiness. Now I could feel under her hair. Her head is pretty warm. Does your head feel warm to you?
No.
No, it doesn't? Well, I guess that's okay. If I reach underneath, her head is much warmer than it is if I used a towel. I'm not saying this is like super excellent or anything like that, but I think this did help with her deep conditioning routine. Because she doesn't need like a whole bunch of heat, but this did help keep some of her body heat in and on top of her head while her deep conditioning was sitting there. I didn't put it in the dryer or anything like that. I just let it work how it's supposed to. And I think it actually did its job to an extent. It was only $2, something like that, at Walmart. And I think it did what it was supposed to. It did what it said. I think it helped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse her hair out and come back and let you guys know how I feel about if it helped her conditioning penetrate her hair more, or if it was kind of just the same. So we will be right back. Alright guys, so when I took it off, her head was pretty warm. It was warmer than usual, more than when I just deep conditioned it and put a shower cap over and maybe put a towel on. So this did help out. It was $2. It was totally worth it, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go wrong with $2. I think it did maybe help penetrate. I can't really tell if it helped too much, but I mean, it's $2, guys. I think you guys should try it out. You could probably find it on Amazon or at a beauty supply store or Walmart or something like that. I think it's worth the try because it did keep her body heat like around her head. Like when I did take the cap off, her head was warm, her head, her hair was even warm as it was like tied up in different sections. So I really did feel the difference between the warmth of having that on and not having it on. So I think you guys should try it out.
Yeah.
I'll leave the description, I'll leave the link for this one that I got. I'm sure there's other ones just like it. It's not like a permanent one, so it'll probably give you a few uses before it rips or tears or something like that. It's not very sturdy, but that's what you get for $2. But yeah, so if this video helped you out, or if you guys tried this, let me know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up because it really helps our channel. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we love doing videos like this, sharing hairstyles. I'm going to start doing product reviews or other things like that to help you guys out to see what might help you with your hair journey. And yeah, so we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.